Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy nomination for Bugle. Reggae and dancehall singer-songwriter Bugle has been acknowledged by the Grammy Committee for his feature on the Grammy-nominated album As the World Turns, courtesy of iconic group Black Uhuru. The 8-time Grammy-nominated and award-winning group's 12-track album sees Bugle lending both his vocals and writing skills on Jag Guide, a song which encourages being fearless in the face of adversity. Black Uhuru nabbed the coveted award back in 1985 for the best reggae recording for the album Anthem. The 61st annual Grammy Awards will take place in February in Los Angeles. Full force success for Coffee. Reggae artist Coffee has been enjoying a quick rise to success since her arrival on the music scene back in 2017 with the roots reggae track Burning. The ragamuffin singer shared details on her experiences since signing with Columbia Records UK.
They're a great team to work with, and we've really just been planning like what the journey is going to be like. So I'm very happy to say that I have an EP coming out very soon. So we have a video and more videos. So it's a great experience so far. More to come, much more to come.
With over 2 million views on YouTube for her latest visual Toast, the teenage sensation noted that she hasn't been intimidated by her rise to stardom.
In certain aspects, but not fully. You know what I mean? Like I try to look at it as more of a responsibility than like a challenge, like a hard challenge, you know what I mean? So it's just something for me to take up. You know, like when my young mommy showed me my responsibilities and show me how to be responsible, you know, take up my responsibilities in my hand and just do what I'm supposed to do. So I try not to make it scare me. It's just something that I have to do. I know, so I have to just stick it up and do it.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.